Everyone back on. Is everyone back on? The number of people I had in the first one. Let me just do a quick call to the group. Okay, there's actually two groups.
Shut up.
Guys, are you guys back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, so as I explained to you guys, just before the session cut off, sorry about that. We were speaking about the tips. So entry tips. So this has to do with entry, specifically entry. If price breaks a whole numbered key level, in the big time frame, and then stops with small candles, then start shooting out with either bullish, or bearish, engulfing, find entry. Okay. Everyone write this down, guys.
Yes.
Does everyone fully understand it? Okay, I'm gonna delete this since everyone said they wrote it down. I'll just screenshot it for those of you guys who want it in the group. So, for example, going back onto a trade that actually looks like this. So let's say, for example, price was moving in a downtrend in this case. Let's say we purely focused on here. Price is giving us lower highs and lower lows. First thing to do, let's say maybe price is around this key area. First thing to do is identify the possible key areas that price can go to. So I'm going to check, in this case, where is the price? I always do that. Check where is the price. If the price is on 119,286, I'd identify 120 as my key level. Remember that the digits in 10 and 5 are the main key levels when it comes to the market. and identify 17,500 to be my possible next key level if we continue moving to the downside. And then obviously last time price stop is over here, so I'm not going to ignore that. And then there's a key level here, which is the previous low. The trend is moving in what trend?
Downtrend.
Downtrend. We had a bounce off area. And another bounce off that key area. So I'm possibly expecting the market to go up, retest this, and then start going to the downside, maybe. So when the market drops, I'm not going to ignore this key level. If it does drop, I'm not saying you should tell the market what to do, because it can do what it wants to do. So in this case, if the market drops, I will take half of my profits. If I decide to enter here, I'll take half of my profits here, and I'll take my full profit on 117,500. Because the market will not just turn around anyway if it's not a key level that I'm expecting. Like the whole number key levels that we actually did. So in this case, let's see what price does. Price goes back up. Remember, I told you guys, price can do what it wants. Price went straight to 120. It went past this level, so it went to retest the recent level we had. Now I'm waiting for the market to either give me a bullish or bearish engulfing in the smaller time frame, so I can enter with a sell, and I'm going to take half profit over there and then full profit there. Price start playing around in that key area. Obviously in the smaller time frame, there's probably a bullish or bearish engulfing that I got as the market was consolidating around there. Market start dropping. I take partial profit. Market drops. I take full profit. Do you guys understand? Now the trend became wider. This trend line does not matter. I have to look at the bigger trend. So price bounced off here. If price breaks 117.5, we're probably gonna stop at 115. But we might be going down and stopping all along the way. If price wants to go back up, it will go back up. Price can do what it wants to do. Price continues to drop. For those who are able to take a sell, we'll probably target the next key levels like 116, 116.5, just like that. Price drops. It goes back above 117.5. That is the first sign that it might want to give us bullish momentum. So now that price actually went up, that means this downtrend is no more valid, right guys?
Yeah.
So I'm expecting price to come back, retest, or give me small candles in smaller time frame, come back, retest, and then so I can buy it. And then I can easily just do that, take a trend line and look at the new trend that's actually popping up. So I move with the market. Can you guys see my trend line is constantly moving with me? It doesn't stay behind. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
So now price is purely moving in an uptrend. If it breaks here, I'm waiting for it to stop. Give me bullish momentum. I'm buying to the next key level, which is the level we might be approaching, maybe 122.500 over there. As the market goes, it keeps on breaking, keeps on giving me new uptrends. The market is respecting that uptrend. I'm buying it all the way up. Market breaks the trend line, but does not take this low out. So that means we might maybe adjust it if the trend is going to continue. And look what the market does. It adjusted to that. So do you guys understand?
Yeah.
Now you guys obviously can't expect to do things the way I do it, because I'm a little bit more advanced than you guys. But I'm just trying to give you guys a way for you guys